Hello, welcome. I am Dr. Wasim Ali Tipu, Professor of Project Management. In today's short video, we will try to understand the difference between two terminologies, that is risk and uncertainty. These two terminologies are being used interchangeably in project management, yet there is difference in both connotations. And project managers must know the difference between these two terminologies. So let's the difference between risk and uncertainty was first time formalized by Frank H. Knight in his book Risk, Uncertainty and Profit. This book was published in 1921. Coming over to the definition or the meaning of these two connotations, the risk is the unknown outcome, but probabilities are known. Any happening for which the outcomes we are not known, but we can have the probabilities. Whereas in the uncertainty, outcomes and probabilities both are unknown. The predictability regarding the risk is the measurable. It based on data or past experience, whereas predictability regarding uncertainty is not measurable. The examples of the risk can be scheduled risk, cost risk, or resource risk, whereas the examples of the uncertainty can be environmental uncertainty, economic uncertainty. Coming over to the probability assignment, we can assign the probability as a possible towards the risk, whereas it is not possible to assign the probability for uncertainty. Control and planning for the risk is easier to manage with strategies, whereas control and planning for uncertainty is difficult to plan or predict. The decision making for the risk based on statistics and models, whereas decision making regarding uncertainty based on judgment and assumptions. The tools we use for the risk planning, risk mitigation, or scheduling can be failure mode and effect analysis or fault tree analysis, etc. There are many other tools available. Regarding uncertainty, we rely on the scenario plannings, judgment planning, expert judgments, etc. So, to conclude this, I would just like to sum up that any untoward incident for which you have outcome in your mind is risk. And once you don't have the outcome in your mind, that is uncertainty. I am sure this small clip have enlightened you about the risk and uncertainty. Thank you very much.